Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is, write a Python program to enter two integers and perform all the arithmetic operations on them. So given two integers as input to your Python program, so let's take x and y. So you have to perform all the arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, then multiplication or the product, then division, and finally the exponential. So these are the five arithmetic operations that you have to perform. So let's get started. So let me take x, that is the first input integer. So let's use the input function call to ask user to enter first integer. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert from string type to an integer type conversion. Yeah, so once we get the first integer value, so let's take another variable y and use the same input function call to ask user to enter second integer. So let me copy paste the same and try to modify this. Yeah, once we get x and y values, so we have to perform all the arithmetic operations. So what we do is we try to first let's take addition. So print addition is, so let's give colon and let's try to perform the x plus y. Yeah, so this is the addition. Then now let's try to perform the subtraction. Subtraction is comma x minus y. Now let us try to perform the, that is, product or multiplication. So let's use a print function and inside that product is, let's give colon and let us try to perform x multiplied by y. Yeah, so now let us try to perform, that is, let's try to perform the exponential first. Exponential, I don't know spelling. Exponential is, and let's give colon and here x raised to power of 2. So now let us try to, that is, try to perform the division. In order to perform the division, so let's use a try block so that y value doesn't equals to 0. So that means we need to catch an exception. So now let's use a print function. Division is, let's use colon and yeah, x divided by y. So also we can also perform the true division. So let me copy paste the same. So here let's perform the true division. So we need to include the double slash. Yeah, and also let's try to perform the, that is, get the remainder by dividing. So yeah, so let's modify this. Remainder is x modulus y. So this will give us the remainder. So yeah, so this is how we try to perform all the arithmetic operations. So in case of y value is equals to 0, so we need to catch an exception. So let me take except block and let's take zero division error. So let's say error division is not possible by 0, or let's say cannot divide by 0. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to enter two integers and perform all the arithmetic operations on them. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So running the main program. So enter the first integer. So let's give something like 6 and second integer as 3. So you can see addition is 9, subtraction is 3, product is 18, exponential is this, etc., and remainder is 0. Closing it. So let me run it again. So let's give 67 and let's give 3. So you can see these are the values that we are trying to get. So now for the negative scenario, let's run it again. So let's give 44 and let's give 0. So you can see for the division cannot divide by 0. So this is a negative scenario, or y value is equals to 0. So we try to handle the exception. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to enter two integers and perform all the arithmetic operations. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.